In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Booking.com hotel reservation. So if you have a reservation for a hotel that you would like to cancel, then here's how you can do it. So there's basically 4 different ways that you can try. Now the first one, and the one that most often does work, is to go through your Booking.com account. So just open up the app or website, then go to your bookings. Now I currently don't have any reservations, but here you will find them. So just go and click on the reservation you want to cancel. And then from there, once you are in your reservation, you then want to look for a cancellation link. So within the reservation details, there should be a link or option to cancel my reservation. So usually it will be somewhere in the bottom right here under actions. And since this is a past reservation, right now it's not there, since I've already stayed there and I cannot cancel it anymore. But there should be an option right here to cancel your reservation. So that's probably the easiest way to do this. Now, if there is not, then what you can do is through this same way, you can contact the property directly. So if your booking is non-refundable, so even with a non-refundable booking, you can contact the hotel directly and explain your situation. So you can just click contact property, and then from there you can send them a message. Now then another thing you can do is contact the Booking.com customer service. So you can do that by clicking on the question mark in the top right, and from there click contact customer service. And then here you can also contact them and just say that you would like to cancel your reservation. And the final thing that you can also do is go to your confirmation email, and this email will contain crucial information about your reservation, including cancellation policy. So look for details on whether your booking is refundable or non-refundable, and any applicable deadlines or fees for cancellation. And if your booking allows free cancellation, there will be a specified time limit for cancelling without penalty. And then you can just do the methods that I just showed you, which is to just go into your booking and clicking on cancel. If it is too late or it is non-refundable, then what you can try is just contacting the property directly or contacting Booking.com customer service. So now you know how to cancel a Booking.com hotel reservation. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.